Unpacking Idioms, Money Bags. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, money bags. It's a term you might have heard in movies, songs, or even in everyday conversation. Whether you're learning English or just expanding your vocabulary, understanding idioms like this can be both fun and useful. So let's dive in and unravel the mystery of money bags. The phrase, money bags, refers to someone who is extremely wealthy or has a lot of money. It's often used in a playful or teasing way to describe a friend who is spending a lot or showing off their wealth. But it can also have a negative connotation, implying that someone is flaunting their wealth a bit too much. The term, money bags, has been in use since the 19th century. It draws a picture of a person so rich that they carry bags filled with money. The imagery is quite literal. In the past, people actually carried bags of coins to show their wealth. This idiom has stood the test of time and remains a colorful part of the English language. Let's look at some examples of how to use money bags in a sentence. Looks like Moneybags is paying for dinner tonight. After winning the lottery, she became the local Moneybags. Don't act like such a Moneybags. Save some of that cash for a rainy day. Using the phrase in conversation can add a humorous or light-hearted tone, depending on the context. The idiom, money bags, appears in various cultural references, such as literature, movies, and music. It's used to quickly characterize someone's wealth in a way that's immediately understood by the audience. However, it's always important to be mindful of the context and the way it might be received by others. And that wraps up our look at the idiom, money bags. It's a playful way to talk about wealth and can add some flair to your English conversations. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of English idioms. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be handling English expressions like a true money bags of language. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.